I was looking for different recipes to try for summer and came across these Bundt PAN nachos. The recipe looks super easy to put together and didn't require any expensive or really obscure ingredients. This recipe is great for cooks of any level, so let's head into the kitchen and make some nachos. Let's start by shredding an 8-ounce block of Colby Jack cheese. When you're done shredding your cheese, preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and spray a Bundt pan with cooking spray. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 1 pound of ground beef, 1 diced yellow onion, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Cook the meat for about 5 minutes until it is no longer pink. Drain as much of the excess fat as you can from the skillet. Return the skillet to the stove and put it over medium-low heat. Stir in 1 package of taco seasoning. 1 package of taco seasoning is about 1 ounce. Mix the seasoning with the meat until everything is combined. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes or until most of the liquid has evaporated. Remove the meat from the heat and get ready to assemble your nachos. In your prepared Bundt pan, add a layer of about half of the shredded cheese to the bottom. Top the cheese with half of the ground beef mixture. Next, we will add about a third of the bag of tortilla chips. Layer on the remaining Colby Jack cheese, ground beef mixture, and another third. When adding the last layer of tortilla chips, be careful not to overfill your Bundt pan. Let's bake this for 10 to 12 minutes. While the Bundt is baking, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Alrighty, your Bundt should be coming out of the oven around now. Place your Bundt pan on a trivet and place another baking sheet or a large heat-proof plate over the top of the Bundt pan. Carefully flip the Bundt pan over so that the plate now has the Bundt pan placed on it upside down. Carefully remove the Bundt pan to reveal the nachos on the plate. I had a bit of trouble getting a good grip on my Bundt pan to flip it, but eventually I was successful. If you have some of the cheese stuck to the bottom of the pan, scoop it out and place it onto the top of your nachos. Eat your nachos as is, or add some toppings like these. I used sour cream, pico de gallo, and some leftover guacamole from another recipe. This was an easy and fun recipe to make. The hardest part of this recipe was flipping my Bundt pan, and even that wasn't too painful. The flavors work really well together, and as long as you like nachos, you will be quite happy. Next time I make this, I will double the shredded cheese, add some refried beans, and maybe even some shredded lettuce. I'll also top my nachos with a deluge of nacho cheese. Let me know what toppings you put on your nachos. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.